Hi there, are you ready to turn up the cozy vibes in your home? Well, today's video is going to be red hot because we're diving into the charming world of rustic farmhouse fireplaces. And I can't wait to show you how to transform your space into a warm and inviting haven. Let's uncover the secret of creating a rustic farmhouse fireplace that not only heats up your space but also adds that perfect touch of rustic allure. Stay tuned because we're about to transform your living space into a haven of cozy elegance. Let's talk about the heart of any rustic farmhouse, the fireplace. There is just something magical about the crackling sound of wood and the warmth it brings to a room. It's like a big, cozy hug waiting for you after a long day. Rustic farmhouse fireplace take that comfort to a whole new level, combining traditional charm with a touch of country chic. Now let's break down the key elements that make a rustic farmhouse fireplace so special. First up, materials. Think reclaimed wood, distressed finishes, and rugged stone. All these elements add that rustic touch we are aiming for. And hey, the more imperfections, the better. It's all about embracing the natural character of the material. Next, let's talk about the mantle. This is like the cherry on top. A chunky, weathered mantle can serve as the perfect showcase for your favorite decor pieces. From vintage candle handlers to family photos, the options are endless. Now let's get our hands dirty metaphorically, of course. If you're on a budget but craving that rustic charm, fear not. We've got a simple DIY rustic farmhouse fireplace makeover just for you. Head to your local thrift store, grab some reclaimed wood, and let's transform that ordinary fireplace into a rustic masterpiece. Alright, now that we have got our rustic farmhouse fireplace looking fabulous, let's talk about styling. This is where you can let your personality shine. Add some vintage lanterns, a couple of woven baskets, and don't forget a cozy blanket or two, because what's a rustic fireplace without a blanket to snuggle up in, right? And there you have it, folks. The ins and outs of creating a warm and inviting rustic farmhouse fireplace. Whether you are curling up with a good book or enjoying a chat with loved ones, a rustic farmhouse fireplace sets the perfect backdrop for those special moments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which rustic farmhouse fireplace elements you are most excited to try. Until next time, stay cozy and keep those farmhouse vibes alive.